After days off grid on this mountain lake, catching big fish, sharing stories with strangers turned friends, and soaking in the silence, it's time to pack up. I've got gear waiting, groceries to grab, and a new direction to head. But first, let's have one last look back. Beautiful 19-inch fish.
Where did you go? We used to be kids, now I feel so grown. I miss being free to be me, not alone. I used to have friends, but we don't talk anymore. I guess that's on me, I got busy. I used to drink soda, now I switched to whiskey. I didn't want time to pass, but time is fast. I just wish you were more than memories. I got kids now, but I'm a kid now.
Finally decided to keep one. Nice big, just about 21 inches.
Bills and miss the outdoors. I feel like the air used to smell different. The grass was greener and the summers were for swimming. I used to play baseball every inning. Now I work for a living. More podcasts and hear less music. My brain feels different and I don't want to lose it. I try to stay healthy but I'm tired all the time, cause there's too much on my mind. Got into meditation, just try to be more patient. Find a passion, a purpose, a reason to keep chasing all the dreams that I had when I was a little kid. Whatever happened to those dreams? Man, there's something that I miss. Maybe I should do this, I always love music. Maybe I can find a way to make these dreams lucid. I really want to try, cause I might have a chance before I die to see the world with the soulmate by my side. Yeah, that would be the life, not a fucking 9 to 5. I wanna feel alive for a minute at a time. Let the kid out that's been stuck, captive on the inside, who had dreams, big things were gonna come from his life. Can you hear me calling in my wasting time? I can hear the echoes left with no reply. Can you hear me calling left inside my mind? What was once a fire, now the embers light goodbye.
Just a little minnow.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'll show you all the path. If you you want it bad, I'm gonna show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back, yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one, working hella hard until I get just what I want, yeah, rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun, shooters gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I won, yeah, always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it, and the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing, never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it, never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving, yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine, yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine, yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline, yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back. We're gonna set you up here. So we're back here in town. Got some groceries. I'm gonna unpack my groceries, get it all put away, and yeah, we're just gonna hang out here for a little today. Tomorrow, the Canadian Tire's got a shipment coming in, and I'm gonna grab a new motor, a new electric motor with variable speeds on the throttle instead of a 5-speed. So that's going to be a huge bonus when I go out fishing. So we're going to grab that. We're going to go back out fishing again. But I've got a few projects on the go. Once my mom gets here, she's going to bring me my packages from Lumbee. And once we pick up everything, we're going to head back out to the lake. Not back to Island Lake. I feel like I've overwelcomed my stay there. Not that I was preventing people from hanging out or anything like that, but it's good to find new places to hang out and not crowd an area. But fishing was good. I did quite a bit of crawny fishing, did a bunch of trolling, and all in all, it was pretty good. Yeah, I think we caught like 5 or 6 or 7 21-inch fish, and a couple 20 inches, and a couple 19s, and you know, a bunch of little guys. So all in all, it was a good trip. But yeah, I'm gonna put all these groceries away. All right, I got all my groceries put away, and holy crap, is it ever hot down here. I've got a fan blowing in my face. I've got the roof vent going now, and I got all my windows open, and it is hot, and the sun's not even out. It's like 25 degrees, but still, that's like 7 degrees hotter down here than it was back up where we were just at, with lows of down to like 2 to 3 degrees Celsius sometimes. And yeah, it can get pretty chilly up there, and it's pretty hot down here, that's for sure. I just want to say thank you to those who are watching my videos and subscribing, and sorry I haven't really been uploading a lot lately, but when you're just holding a fishing rod and only catching 1 or 2, sometimes 3 fish a day, sometimes none, it doesn't really make a great video. So today, this last few weeks have just been me relaxing. I have a few projects that I've got. I've got a few upgrades I'm going to do the boat. I've got a few upgrades I'm going to do the van. And one of those upgrades is upgrading Starlink to 12 volt to save me a bunch of power, which is amazing because right now it uses like 50 to 60 watts, and I'm going to bring that down to about 25 to 30 watts. So we'll see how that works out. Hopefully it works out good. I've got everything in the mail, so as soon as my mom brings me the packages, we'll have a few boxes to open up, and we'll check those out a little bit later. But for now, we're gonna keep cool. I got some paperwork I gotta get done, some budget stuff I need to pay some bills, a few things like that, and we'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, my mom came by, dropped off the packages. Felt like it was a bunch of packages, but it feels like I only got 3 things or 4 things. Anyways, here it goes. We picked up a Starlink 12 volt converter kit. Basically, we've got plug-in for Starlink, converts it to an Ethernet, and this is a PoE injector, which takes power from this box, 48 volts, and sends it through the cable to power Starlink through the stock cable. And then it sends the Ethernet, the internet, over this Ethernet cable to the router. And this router is highly recommended. So I picked it up. It was pretty cheap. It was on sale. And it runs off of a Type-C USB. So what I've got here is I got 12 volt, 12 volt. I'm going to take those two. We're going to connect it to this relay, which allows me to send up to 30 amps. Well, this will only take 15, but it'll take enough amperage to power that, to send to that, to power Starlink. And then I get internet through Wi-Fi, or I can plug in a LAN port. Which reminds me, I don't have any spare ones, so we're gonna head over to Dollarama. We're gonna pick one up. Oh yeah, and I've got a new fly rod release thing. It's like a quick release fly rod holder because I broke mine. So we're gonna mount these on the bolt. So we need to go pick up some bolts because it didn't come with any. And I broke a reel, so I bought a new one. So we're gonna put that on one of the new fishing rods, or my oldest fishing rod. And it's gonna be interesting because it's got my oldest line, but it's like my favorite line too. It's like an intermediate. It goes to like 7 to 9 feet-ish. So we're gonna put that on there. And we've got one more thing to pick up tomorrow, Canadian Tire. We'll be heading off into the bush. All right, let's head down the road, fill up the tank, grab a few more things, that Ethernet cable from Dollarama, and we'll probably call it a night. Got a double rainbow going on over here. Pretty cool. I'm gonna hop in the van and I'm gonna edit this video. I think that's gonna be it for today. Just wanted to give you guys an update because you guys haven't seen me in a while. Hope you guys don't miss me too much. But I'll have a couple more videos for you guys coming up here pretty soon before summer break comes along, and we hang out with the kids. So we'll see you guys on the next episode. Thanks for watching. So.